Today's August 28th, and this hive that's in front of me is my original hive that I started back in May, at the end of May, and it's done really well this summer. I've been pleased with how things have gone, but it's been a couple weeks since I've been in here, and I want to check and make sure that the queen is still laying eggs and that there's a good pattern of brood still in this hive. I also want to check and see how much honey is in here. I'm hoping there'll be some extra honey that I can harvest today. Alright, as you can see, I've opened up this second hive. This was my original hive from May, and I'm down here in this first brood box. Again, as I look at this, there's lots of capped brood. You can see here, hopefully on the camera, all this dark color comb, that's brood comb. And all of the dark brown covered is capped brood. You might even be able to see some larvae in here. There's some that look white. They look like there's white inside of them. Those are larvae all curled up. Those haven't been quite capped yet. Now I don't see the queen on this one, but she might be on one of these other frames here. Let's see if we can try to find her. Again, this frame has lots of capped brood in it. Don't see the larvae. Oh, there's the queen right there. Now, this queen here, over on the other side now, she did have a blue spot on her, but I don't know if you can see her or not now. I definitely found the queen. Actually, I suppose that could be a replacement queen. I do not see any blue on her at all. Again, let's see if we can see her on the camera. She's over on the corner of the frame, just went over on the other side. Darn it. Okay, we're going to look in this second brood box now, and second deep. We'll see how much honey's in here. It's pretty heavy, so I'm guessing there's quite a bit. That one. Alright, so let's check out this frame. There's some brood comb that it looks like they're filling with honey, and they're capping it. You can see there, that's the capped honey there, that's not brood. And there's a bunch of honey in there too that isn't quite capped yet. I do want to, though, clean off the bottom of these. Not liking that. All right. So this frame definitely has some honey on it that's been capped as well. And I'm seeing some cells here that I don't like the looks of. They kind of look like the starting of queen cells. I'm going to take care of those, get rid of those. Yeah, I'm wondering if my original queen died and they ended up making another queen, because I'm seeing some cells here. They're all open cells. They're not closed at all, but maybe you can see on this frame right here down at the bottom, there's a cell that's kind of peanut shaped, and that's called a queen cell. And so I'm thinking maybe the queen that's in this hive isn't the original queen that I started with. Either they swarmed or else she might have died and was replaced. Alright, well, it doesn't look like I can get any honey out of this hive yet. There's quite a bit of honey in here, but I'm going to let them keep working on it. I'm not going to take any out. So I'm going to call this one a wrap and close this hive up here in a few minutes, and then we'll come back and check again maybe next month.